Beautiful afternoon here in Squirrel Land. The birds are happy. All the peanuts went out. We got pecan shipment in today. Put out a bunch of peanuts and some walnut pieces. The wind has started to pick up and it's a beautiful day. It's reached 65 today. Hard to believe that last week we were in the teens with snow on the ground. How beautiful it is. Look how blue the sky is. Sun's out. Look at that. Oh, look at that hawk right there. Hawk is circling. Get out of here, hawk. Get out of here. That's why the squirrels aren't out. See that? It's a hawk. Look at him. He's circling. I see you, buddy. Get out of here, hawk. Get out of here. Get out of here, hawk. We don't want squirrels to be taken. Look how beautiful it is. They're not out because of this hawk, I guess. Although one just came over. I gotta make sure all our reflectors are pointed in the right direction over here. Let me get some of these reflectors out here. Here we go. Reflectors got wrapped around some stuff here. Here's CDs and stuff. Oh yeah, this thing got wrapped around pretty good. Oh, see, I got the reflector there. I don't see the hawk anymore. I'll have to reinforce these. I have to put some more reflectors up or shine them up a little bit. The squirrels now. See, there's no birds up here right now. It's a predator in the area, and there's the hawk again. Look at, there he goes. I don't see him now. There he is. He's still flying around. Get out of here, hawk. Messing up my squirrels. See, he keeps circling here. Get out of here, man. Get out. Hopefully he's gone away. Oh, there's a squirrel house right there. The squirrels are smart. They know when to come around and when not to. You see, we got all the food set up here. This is just the one for the back door here. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4 feeding stations up there along the fence. Plenty of water stations, 4 or 5 water stations. But the squirrels are not coming right now because of the hawk. Well, that's fine. They'll come out later. The food will be here. Because, see, there's no birds. And when you see no birds, that means there's a predator. So I'll have to check back later. I don't want to draw out the squirrels. I'll have to wait a little bit.